Transforming your outdoor space starts with reliable lighting that enhances both beauty and safety. The best backyard solar lights offer an easy, energy-saving way to brighten pathways, gardens, and patios while delivering dependable performance without raising your electricity bill. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BITPOTT IP65 Backyard Solar Light. The BITPOTT IP65 Backyard Solar Light is an upgraded solution for homeowners seeking reliable and stylish outdoor illumination. Its large monocrystalline silicon solar panel offers a higher conversion rate than traditional panels, allowing for faster charging in just 4 to 8 hours, depending on sunlight exposure. Equipped with a powerful rechargeable 3.7V WH battery, these lights can shine for 12 to 14 hours, automatically turning on at night to provide consistent illumination. The design is both unique and retro, featuring warm white tungsten filament bulbs encased in thick, high-transparency lampshades. This combination not only ensures brightness but also durability, withstanding various weather conditions thanks to its IP65 waterproof rating. These solar lights are perfect for pathways, gardens, and patios, casting romantic and inviting light patterns while adding charm to any outdoor setting. Installation is simple, and the low-maintenance solar system eliminates electricity costs, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Homeowners can enjoy both practical lighting and aesthetic appeal with these lights, creating a warm, cozy atmosphere for evenings outdoors. Overall, BITPOTT's blend of performance, style, and energy efficiency makes it a top choice for enhancing backyard ambiance while remaining functional and long-lasting.
Number 2. Ofuray 6500K Backyard Solar Light. The Ofuray 6500K Backyard Solar Light delivers high-efficiency, bright outdoor lighting for larger areas with its 192 super bright 5054 LED beads. The upgraded double-sided 45-degree angle design ensures 220-degree ultra-wide-angle coverage, illuminating up to 3,400 square feet while remaining energy efficient. The 3-mode system, dusk to dawn, motion sensor, and intelligent control offers versatile lighting options for security, convenience, and mood enhancement. Controlled via a multi-function remote, the brightness can be adjusted to suit any outdoor setting. With a large capacity 3.2V 33,300 mAh battery, the lights can operate continuously for up to 16 hours after a full 6 to 8 hour charge, ensuring dependable illumination all night. Designed to withstand harsh weather, these waterproof lights are ideal for driveways, yards, or gardens, while eliminating electricity costs entirely through solar energy. The combination of advanced LED technology, remote-controlled brightness, and automatic dusk-to-dawn operation makes Ofuray a practical and modern choice for homeowners seeking both performance and energy efficiency. It's a perfect mix of high brightness, durability, and intelligent lighting control, offering safety, convenience, and visual appeal.
Number 3. The NYMPHY Backyard Solar Light stands out for its durability and high performance. This 4-pack of solar floodlights features 56 LEDs, delivering bright, long-lasting illumination for gardens, pathways, and outdoor areas. With an energy conversion rate of 20% using polycrystalline silicon panels, these lights charge efficiently in sunlight and can provide illumination for 6 to 20 hours, depending on weather conditions. Built to endure harsh environments, NYMPHY lights are waterproof, frostproof, and weather-resistant, functioning perfectly in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The IP68 rating ensures they can withstand rain, snow, wind, and frost without compromising performance. Anti-fogging lenses maintain brightness and clarity over time, extending service life. Installation is straightforward, and these solar lights offer an eco-friendly, electricity-free solution for outdoor lighting. Their robust design and high-efficiency solar panels make them brighter, longer-lasting, and more reliable than many competitors. NYMPHY's focus on durability, weather resistance, and performance.
Number 4. JOFIOS 50 Lumen Backyard Solar Light. The JOFIOS 50 Lumen Backyard Solar Light provides bright, focused illumination with its upgraded LED lens design. Equipped with 2 high-transmission lenses, the light produces a concentrated beam of 50 lumens, perfect for highlighting yards, fences, or patios. Its auto on-off function ensures convenient operation, charging during daylight and turning on at dusk for 6 to 8 hours of reliable lighting. The IP65 waterproof rating allows these lights to withstand rain, wind, and other outdoor conditions, while the durable ABS shell ensures long-lasting performance. Installation is simple, with included screws and a design that maximizes solar exposure. Ideal for safety and decoration, these solar lights prevent trips and falls along pathways, stairs, or decks while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of outdoor spaces. Their energy-efficient solar operation means no electricity bills, making them environmentally friendly and cost-effective. With bright, focused lighting and durable construction, JOFIOS lights are a practical and stylish addition to any backyard, offering long-lasting performance and visual charm in one compact and affordable solution.
Number 5. NIORSUN IP65 Backyard Solar Light. The NIORSUN IP65 Backyard Solar Light offers a unique approach to outdoor illumination with its dual-beam lens design and 3000K warm white light. This distinctive lens extends the lighting range, providing more focused, intense illumination than standard solar fence lights. Each light acts like 2, enhancing ambiance for patios, decks, and garden areas, perfect for gatherings or festive decorations. Dusk to dawn automation ensures the lights charge during the day and illuminate throughout the night for over 10 hours of continuous lighting. Constructed with waterproof, weather-resistant materials, NIORSUN lights withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, ensuring long-term durability. They are suitable for a wide range of installations, including fences, stairs, pathways, decks, and porches. These solar-powered lights are easy to install, eco-friendly, and provide consistent performance without electricity costs. Combining elegance, energy efficiency, and robust design, NIORSUN backyard solar lights offer both practical lighting and visual appeal. They create a warm, inviting atmosphere while maintaining safety and functionality, making them an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces efficiently and stylishly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.